Okay guys, what's up guys? What's up guys? So today I have this laptop with me and I'm currently upgrading it from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Now during the installation, I don't know if you guys can see this properly, but I've come up to the page where I'm supposed to select which disk I want to, install the Windows on, and currently it's giving me this error message that keeps on saying Windows can be installed on drive 0 partition, whatever number it is, and I'm here to show you guys how to fix that. So the steps to fixing this problem are actually quite simple. So the first thing you want to do is open up command prompt, and you do that by holding shift and pressing on F10. So we're going to hold shift and press on F10. Now once you've entered command prompt, the first thing you want to type in is called diskpart, right? Just type in diskpart and then press enter. Second thing you want to type out is list. Type in list and then you press enter. Now this will give you a list of all the different disks that you have inside, and then you're going to type in select disk 0, right? Select disk 0, and as you can see it says disk 0 is now selected, and then all you gotta do is simply press in clean and press enter. And as you can see it says diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk, and lastly you're gonna type in exit and you're gonna press in enter. So as you can see it says leaving diskpart. Now once you're here you can easily go and close your command prompt, press X. Now as you can see we still have the same message displayed from the beginning, and all you gotta do with this is go back, or basically just go back to the original installation of the whole Windows process. So now you're gonna start your Windows installation from the beginning, and then you're just gonna follow the steps like you did before. And as you can see the error message is gone, and all the partitions in the drive and the data in the drive have now been deleted, and you can now finally install Windows. So thank you guys for making it this far into the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it educational, and please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see y'all next week.